Hello WordPress users, welcome to another tutorial video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to redirect a page or a post and track your 404 or 404 page errors. These are page not found, just like this page right here. A page that is not working, a dead page. So this is what usually shows up as a error 404, page can't be found. And why is this important to track? Because these pages are free views, free traffic, and if you know what 404 pages are getting a lot of traffic from, you can redirect these old pages to maybe a new updated page, which can help with bringing more traffic to relevant content and also for SEO purposes. So it is a good all-around practice to employ, especially it is free to do so. And here's the plugin that I recommend. It's called Redirection plugin. You can manage 301 redirections and keep track of 404 errors. And to simply add this, head over to your WP admin, go to add new plugins, search for redirection, and make sure you get this one right here. Over 1 million active installations with a very good high rating here. Install now and activate. And once you've activated this plugin, you can access this page right here, welcome screen. And you can also access this by going to your redirection menu item here under tools. So you can read a little bit about how this works here. Now let's click on start setup. And here, the basic setup, you can choose to monitor permalinks, which are just basically your post and page links. And if they change, if you change the permalink, it will automatically redirect to your new permalinks. So that's good to have. And now you can also keep a log of all redirect and 404 errors. However, this will use up quite a bit of database storage and store IP information. This is not necessary for most people, so I'll leave that unchecked. Let's continue. And in this next step, it'll check for the REST API. And for my current site here, it says working, but some issues. So that's fine, it'll still work. Let's click on finish setup. All right, and let's continue. And now you have a list of all of your 301 redirects as seen here, and you can add a new one. So let's try that out right here. So I'm going to redirect this example dead page here, this URL link, and redirect it to my new page here, learn about affiliate marketing. You can add it here like this, so that way people arriving on this dead page about affiliate marketing will be automatically redirected to my newly updated page. So you just enter in the source URL, the old dead page, and the target URL, the new updated page, and click on add redirect. And now let's refresh this page or go to this dead URL, and it will automatically go into my new page here about affiliate marketing. So that's roughly how you use the 301 redirects and how to set it up easily, just like that. And the 404 errors here. And once you start getting traffic to your error pages, it'll show up here. And then depending on how many hits you get, you can set up redirect to new relevant content for your visitors to see. Otherwise, they land on a dead page, they will just exit without a doubt. So this is a good way to capture those visitors. Okay, so that's roughly how you use this plugin. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy marketing.